Hi folks, here's how you do the graph for Lab 3 on enzyme activity. So notice I've got my data set up with my millimolar of dopachrome in the A column, absorbance in the B, that corresponds to X and Y. You just click and drag and select all your data. Then go up to the menu bar and click on the Insert tab. Come over to Charts, click on the drop down that says Insert Scatter, pick the first option, okay? And then you'll go up to the menu bar again where it says Quick Layout. Pick the first option there. That gives you the opportunity to put your axis titles in and also edit the title for your graph. Now you want to put a trend line in, so you right click on one of the data points, go to where it says Add Trend Line, click on that, and it'll automatically pick the linear one, which is what you want. And then in that menu you want to click on Display Equation on Chart and Display R squared value on chart. Okay. Now remember, most of us took out this last data point because it represents saturation of the enzyme. So you'll want to copy and paste your data table into a separate sheet so you get a graph that looks more like this. Okay, that's how you do it.